In this video, I am extending an open invitation to our Great Gift Wrap Challenge. But before I get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. I am just so excited to share with you a challenge that Cheryl from Around the House with Cheryl and me, This and That with Denise Jordan, that we are hosting, and we want all of you to join us. I've got my iPad right here so that I can make sure I've got all my details just right. But we were just thinking that it would just be nice to host a challenge where we got you to show us how nicely you can wrap up a package. The gift giving season is fast approaching, and I thought about how much I like having beautifully wrapped packages under the tree. And even more importantly, I thought about how much I enjoy receiving a beautifully wrapped package. And last year, I really went the extra mile, and when I wrapped up my gifts for Christmas, I found something unique to wrap, or I should say to embellish each package with. And my family just absolutely loved it. And it was just the fact that I took a little additional time to think of something that they would enjoy and make that package special just for them. Let me show you an example of one that I've already put together. This will give you some ideas. So this is the package that I wrapped up for my son-in-law. And I just used simple red and white striped gift wrap, put a little red bow on it. And I found a really cute little gift tag that just says Merry Christmas, and on the back it's got his information. But this right here is just something a little additional. It's just a little flashlight that I thought a guy might like to have, that they could use either on the key ring, in their car, if they're in their office and they're trying to hook something up underneath the computer. This tiny little flashlight might be just enough light to give them what they need. So I did some cute little things like that last year. And when Cheryl and I got to talking about that, well, we thought, why not do it this year and invite all of you to join us? And the nice thing about it is it not only creates a beautiful package, a beautiful gift, but it also creates memories for the person who is receiving that gift. I know sometimes my kids will sit around and they'll talk about things they used to get from a particular uncle when they were younger, and they'll just kind of sit around and just kind of laugh about all getting the same thing but different sizes and this and that and the other. But they're just such fond memories when they get nostalgic thinking about those times when they were kids. So your family will certainly enjoy the memories that you create as you come up with these specially wrapped packages. So now let me give you the details. Number one is to wrap up a package to gift someone. You can decide who, but we want to see how creative you can be. Number two, you must use gift wrap. No gift bags. You can put the gift in a box to wrap it up, but it can't go inside a bag. So no gift bags. You've got to wrap it up somehow. Three, you can embellish it as much as you like or as little as you like, but just make it personal. Something that is meant to speak to whomever the gift is for. For example, my littlest grandson loves little cars. And so what I might do is buy a couple of little cars at the Dollar Tree, or maybe I might go thrifting and find a couple of little cars there and tie those up on the package with a bow as part of his gift. One of my daughter-in-laws likes to bake, so maybe I might go thrifting and find some little wire whisk, or maybe a little small rolling pin, or just something that is iconic to baking, and wrap that up on her package. And then I've got a sister-in-law who is very, very fashionable. I've already found some really cute little high heels, little stiletto type heels to put on her Christmas package this year. So just kind of think about what can you find to embellish your package to make it personal for that individual. And you can show us 1, 2, or 3 wrap packages, but no more than 3, because we want to try to keep these videos under 10 minutes if possible. And then use the hashtag Great Gift Wrap Challenge 2019 in your description box. Great Gift Wrap Challenge 2019. Use that hashtag in your description box, and then title your video Great Gift Wrap Challenge 2019. And then we will create a playlist, and we'll ask for you to go ahead and populate your video in the playlist. But if all else fails, if you use the hashtag Great Gift Wrap Challenge 2019, we can capture your video and populate the playlist ourselves if we need to. The other thing we want you to do is to be sure and mention both Around the House with Cheryl and myself, This and That with Denise Jordan, in your video and link it in your description box, as well as mention the playlist and link it when it's available in your description box. And then of course you must be subscribed to both of our channels. Now let's talk video upload date. We're going to upload our videos on November 15th at 7 a.m. Eastern. Please don't deploy your videos early. We want to upload our videos together at 7 a.m. on November 15th at 7 a.m. Eastern, so we can all get traction together. If you enjoy making memories as much as we do, join us in our Great Gift Wrap Challenge. And when you're done looking at my invite video, go on over and check out Cheryl's invite video. And if you think this is a challenge that you want to take us up on, drop us a note in the comment section that says, I'm in. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, and a little bit about gift wrapping, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you, hopefully, in the Great Gift Wrap Challenge.